What's up, guys? I go by the name of Axe, and welcome back to another exciting episode about cars. So today I'm going to drive with Empire 007. This guy, Empire 007, has been a guy who loves vintage cars. Of course, you guys have seen like our previous episodes. So today he has a new collection of cars. He has a Suzuki, he has like some Combis, he has like 5 or 6 cars he's working on. Kuna zingine pia zimeisha. So let's go there and see what this guy has for us today. So, if this is your first time you're watching my videos, kindly finya that subscription button somewhere here. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, Explore with Mose Axe. Like, comment, because it helps a lot. Yeah, Stwende. Let's go, guys. Yeah, so finally I've met Empire 007. This is one of the combis. Empire, ukuja utuongeleshe. Yaje?
Fiti.
Yaje? Hii ni gani sasa tena?
Hii ni beast, hii ni Combi. Itaka transporter 3. It's a very unique car. You know, President Mo used to love this. He had like 17 of them.
Wow.
Yeah.
So umesema ni ya 19?
This one is in 1981. Yeah, it's a Volkswagen transporter, Vanagon. Yeah, they have different variations. Kuna Vanagon, kuna Caravel, yeah, South Africa. But this one is Vanagon. Then there's the Omnibus. But this one is Vanagon.
Butu fungulie.
Yeah.
Tuanzie mbele.
Yeah, basically mlango ndio hiyo hapo. A very simple setup, very spacious, enough leg room.
Yeah. So hapa mbele ni nini umechange?
Kama ni umeweka? Of course, nimeanza na hizi viti. For you to have a comfortable ride, you need to have the good seat.
Yeah.
These ones are called Recaro. These are sports seats. Ukiwa umekaa unasikia kama umehagiwa. It's a very comfortable seat. So then I changed the steering. This one is in a Golf Mark II, but the original one was much bigger and slimmer. Yeah. So I changed the clock. The clock is near Toyota Premium.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like a fit.
Yes. Ikaingia na tupoa because the engine is near Toyota Premium.
Wow.
2000 cc. So at least now hainaga mashida mingi za kukwama kwa barabara and stuff. And it has enough power and top. Then I changed the rims.
The rims?
Nikaweka AMG Mercedes rims. It's a straight fix. Na nikaweka some off-road tires.
Na zikaingiana kwanza hizo Mercedes.
Zinaingiana kwa Mercedes are related to Volkswagen and Audi also. Zinaingiana kwa direct without any modification.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. Tires? Kuna tires zingine hapa.
Tires nikaweka Conforsa. I like Conforsa because they are off-road. Because I'm an off-road guy, so basically I need off-road tires.
Oh.
Yeah, with good grip.
Hebu tuingie sasa the other side.
Yeah,
but this thing is
inafunga mlango kama ni gari mpya.
No, uko mbele kwanza.
Yeah.
What's happening here?
I put some LED. These ones they have projector lights. Then they have this for daylight running. Of course,
the trademark.
Number plate ya Empire license hapo. It's a KTH. You know, the ni old school. And the side mirrors they are Land Cruiser.
Land Cruiser?
Yes.
Wow.
I need a wider.
Okay, sasa tuingie hapa ndani.
Hii sasa ni nyumba sasa. This is a house. It has a functional kitchen. A 2-burner kitchen.
Hebu ingia ndani.
It has a functional 2-burner kitchen. So nikienda ma round zangu hivi ma picnic, I cook my food here, my coffee when I'm just chilling. Yeah, basically this is a cabinet for keeping those utensils. Iko na ni ya ukweli, si ati zile za vako. Iko na
si umeweka tu hapa for the sake of
iko na kila kitu. Sasa hizi nikiamua kwenda road trip sasa hizi. Everything is there. I have my toolbox here. I always carry it. Especially when you have a classic car, you must always have enough tools for you to make the car when it stalls in the road. These are just pillows. Ikiamua kulala, I can just sleep here, and if I need more space, hii kitu huwa inaanguka. Then I have space that fits a 4x6 mattress, so that's the bed space yote. And yeah,
dirisha naona curtains.
Yeah, curtains lazima uweke, especially when you're going for camping. You need the curtains because of you don't want to wake up in the morning and be bombarded with all the lights, you know. Unajua ukienda camping hakuna time ya kuamka, you can even wake up at 10.
Even 10, yeah.
So at least when you have these hautaamshwa na hiyo lights, and it gives you the privacy and also the protection from you know, too much light, because unajua when you're tinted still lights huwa inaingia.
Oh.
Yeah, and I have my fire extinguisher there. There's another one there, you know, for security purposes. Yeah, and basically when I got it, it was all roughed up, and you know, gari zangu zote, I like it, you know, I like cars when they are messed up, so I can have a story out of it, and I enjoy doing it, transforming it, and I enjoy driving what I make.
Okay,
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hapa chini naona we have a blue carpet.
Yeah.
Why blue? Because you have another combi with a different color.
Yeah, the other one was maroon. This one is blue. I decided to have a blue interior all around there, because at least blue gives me a homely feeling and a cool feeling.
And a manly.
Yeah, and a manly feeling. So si kama ile ya Daisy asa alisema ni it's like yeah, so this one there's a difference between the Daisy, it's a Transporter 2. This one is a Transporter 3. This one has more aggressive look. When you look you know, straight on it, it has this a boxy shape. Yeah, it's aggressive, it looks military and stuff like that. So you can have something aggressive and have a pink carpet.
A pink carpet.
yeah, so that's what's up. So that's why it has a blue one. I think I can't get quite a black, but I decided to do blue because it's neutral and it's manly. Yeah.
Alafu, the name of this?
Inaitwa Godzilla.
Godzilla. Why?
Godzilla, because it is aggressive.
Yeah.
When you look at this car, it's aggressive. Like kama inataka kukukuta. So Godzilla is a name that came from the, you know, the ile movie Jurassic Park and stuff like that. So this one is a scary car. It's an aggressive car. So Godzilla works good on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So I think Kofiti. But before we leave here, I understand like we have other cars we are going to feature.
Yeah.
Yes, hapa tumepatana tu kwa barabara, but we need to go. Tufike home kwanza.
Yeah, tufike home when we check in, at least there is another project.
Yeah.
Actually, right now this is my favorite. What I do is when I make any car, it becomes my favorite until I make another one. So for now, Daisy used to be my favorite. Right now, this is my favorite one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. Able to test new drive.
Yeah.
Hey, but this guy is good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fit. Iko sawa.
Awesome.